Alright, Boy Scout, running my shoot and move course. This is part 3. This time I'm going to run the Glock 26. I said before, this is the first time I've set up a shoot and move course, first time I've run one. And so far I'm enjoying it. It's a good time. Had trouble with both the, small trouble with both the Kel-Tec P3AT and the Browning High Power. We'll see how the Glock 26 does. I expect good things, but we'll just see. Alright, let's run this thing. And here are the results of the Glock 26 on that shoot and move course. Fairly decent group, I think. Almost palm sized. Almost palm sized. Let's put my hand next to it and just see. Except for that one, yeah, about palm sized. Again, except for this one right here. About palm sized. That's not too bad. That's effective from 7 yards, I'd say. And I think I had about 2 left in the first magazine, but I loaded up another one with 5 rounds, 6 rounds. Maybe I just had 3 left. Whatever the case, I changed magazines because I wanted to do a little more shooting. So there. All right, that's the results again of Glock 26 on that shoot and move course. Glock 26, second run on this shoot and move course. And clear. Okay, these are the results of my second run with the Glock 26 on this shoot and move course. And those are pretty much all within that 1, 2, 3, 4 inch ring. Actually, almost all within, let's see, what is that? 1, 2, 3 inches. Almost, yeah, pretty much all within 3 inches. So I'm very pleased with that. That's 8 shots, all within about a 3-inch group. Again, let's compare that to the size of my palm. There's my palm up against the paper. Completely covers it. As you can see, that's, yeah, 3 inches, possibly sub 3 inches. Yeah, I'm very pleased with that. Glock 26, second run on the shoot and move. All right, way to go, Glock 26.